what do the numbers mean on a Black+Decker cordless drill. So we have number 2, when you slide it like that, we have number 1. So number 1 gives you more torque. So the full torque of your cordless drill is in number 1. However, the spinning motion of the chuck and your bit will be slower. When you go into speed 2, this gives you the full speed of your Black+Decker cordless drill, but there's not as much torque. This is ideal for doing pilot holes and things like that, but if you're going into masonry or brick or anything like that, you want speed 1 where there's more torque and it'll drive your bit through harder material, but you won't have as quick a spinning motion on the chuck. So hopefully that helps you out what the number 1 and the number 2 means on your Black+Decker cordless drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.